Mugasomi mwancho muligereria wegetaseni kia Ndizi TV chitarikini komina kianda omutyenyi no yogatatu mwakano yuwechirwe Ibere na 2023 rituko nelia Jumapili na endenga kingia tokumirana asemesa ya Amayia maega yokora sirania segeka kurende na iranire nenda semesa ya Amayia egera togendere gusanga aliagendete gwateka korwa sorongorwa Gusii na boigo ense ya Kenya yonsi li itukulia rero muraibwense Dr. William Ruto mukonyo ya Rigathi Gachagua na babwatani korwa serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nigo bagenderete kumirana ase county ya Nandi asensema ya Kapsabet Showground asa masabo yobwamo kwirana Nyasaye ngambu ya mona sengencho agenderete koleta mayamo nono nyane bisyo obiembura arobatiru ntogendere koligeria asenchira yoboikiranu asa mangana itama yakobwatia kolendo muraibwense noare ase county ya Nandi asabali mogotobwate wetera senchira ya online tonyore Ndizi TV News Digital eyonensemo ya Facebook na boigo Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube na ende na bogo tweet at Ndizi TV News asenchira yoboikiranu gendera koba mona inche gwikomo elyo ekiagera na kwariganirie atalimake kurugaiga ase studio gendera koba mona inche tigande ikasensemo ende studio asomotimo komoke ekaronko irana ninkomanya yomona yanda mange asenchira yoboikiranu. Ncheni wankoro kuwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita tiga toya chake aliagendete koleka asense ya Kenya inyoranga omuraibwense niganyarako baga gochora aba Chief Administrative Secretary emerongo etano egento kianyorire birengero lyo biburukaine korwasa ba Kenya ao gati abo nomo President wekiombekya Law Society of Kenya Eric Deuri oyolenge ase county ya Mombasa alitukuligoro abwasa tebire kiombekya LSK nigo baguche kwenda ase kigambero elyo kwamerere na gutanga amalieta yo yaba CAS emerongo etano kolengana na Theuri nigatebire merongo ebere na batatu na uboka banche irene lichiko asokoba ase ebiroge byo kulende ababande merongo ebere netano gose merongo ebere na batano na babere nigo babekire mamincha nelichiko boigo nigatebire nse ya Kenya nigegendete gwetera amaba mange gati yabo uchumi nigeirane tense na boigo abantu nigo bagendete ko baninchale nene na igo mwananchi kawaida gose mwananchi botambe tabwatie libaga na endelyo gochegosoya asomobuko koliga chibesa chugo cha wakana aba Chief Administrative Secretary
not be able to separate which of the 23 are legal and which of the 27 are illegal. So the entire list is tainted with illegality, and on Monday we shall be filing a case in court to challenge the move by the president to create extra offices than has been recommended to him by the Public Service Commission. And that is just on the legal aspect of it. But the other question is in terms of, is it even moral to do that when the country is undergoing drought, when the level there are protests within the country and complaints by members of the public that the cost of living has gone up. To blot the wage bill of the government by an additional 27 unnecessary offices is something that is extremely immoral and irresponsible.
Litukolia ankyo Jumatatu chitariki emerongo Ibere obomo bwa Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya bokora wana Raila Amolo Odinga amo na baraibande nigo baroberetie gochia gokorokorobekana weika asa magacho yenyomba yoboraya State House ase county ya Nairobi ile kumabeterelio muraibwense Dr. William Ruto wetigia emeremo ekiagera sinyiro ikirania chira alireta ba Kenya chinga kiche chi campaign boigo oyo bwango iga komobolio Raila Odinga anyariko bakago tenenia amandamano litukolia ankyo nomo Bishop kurwase Diocese ya Nyeri Anthony Muheria oyote biruno bwabo bonge nigo bagenderete kubwata gati ya ba Kenya asense ya Kenya niga mobolio Raila Odinga koligia chinchira chingikiranu aso koligia kutwara chinkwana no muraibwense Dr. William Ruto elio koligia lichibuligi yabuna na kiense ya Kenya egosuka abosio.
about the rising tension within our country. We are concerned about the confrontational attitude we are taking and the ease with which our political leaders are taking us a road of political incitement. It's a slippery road to anarchy. To appeal to Honorable Raila as a person and to the entire leadership of the opposition. You are in your right to express yourselves, but we should not sell to this country anything that sounds revolutionary in terms of mutiny or bringing our country.
Ensemo yabamenyi kurwase county ya Baringo amo nabarai kurwase ensemeyo litukole igoro Jumamosi nigo bakore tokorobekana eliokolera ebikore byobosaliano boiti bagendete gukoreka ase county ya Baringo amo ne chi county chirobekana ine gose chibagekaine amo ne county eyo korengana nabarai abubaraete okorobekana okwo nigo bamochiria serikali anene ase wizara yobolendi bwaime ekorawano moske Kindiki asibate birenganonya abanyanyimbo barasensemeyo asokurwania abaibi betugo abo bagendete gwikirania bosalia ase county eyo nigo etarareta matunda ndonsi chinga kibona abamenyi bande banyarako bagosemiwa konganya korwase chinka cyabo binenchereyemo yokoreta gosimnenchereyemo yogwikera ababegu abo bagenderete korete mechande menene asensemeyo korengana nabaraya buni go bamuganire Dr. William Ruto kuba umurembe bweka na tabaisa kuba kende gionsi utatiga ba umurembe.
Operation inafanyika. Na bado tunaona tu wizi inaendelea. Kama leo asubuhi sisi tunasikia Chemorongyon pale Arabal. Ng'ombe 60 imechukuliwa, mbuzi 120 imeenda. Iliali tunaambiwa ati jeshi wamejaa huko wanapiga bomu msituni kwingine. Sasa tunashindwa. Hii bomu yenye wanapiga wapi?
Operation iwe silent. Wewe kuambia watu watatoka tutapiga bomu hapa. Hapana. Hiyo ni uongo. Utafuta mali wakora wako.
Kama hii kitu imekuwa ngumu, watangaze KDF peke yao waende. Unajua sasa kuna conflict ya jeshi ni tofauti, ya polisi ni tofauti.
Sawadi ile nataka Ruto kama rais wetu abe watu yetu asitube hata kitu kingine, atube tu amani peke yake. Hii nyingine tutajiweza.
Serikali ye county ya Bungoma bakubwatarane kyombegia Food and Agricultural Organization FAO nigo bachakirie omorobelio bwokorwania amakonde aliakolia na gusalia ndagera gose armyworms unencheremo yogokinia sector yobolemi asensemeyo ya ensemo ya Bungoma unencheremo yogosira sector yobolemi korengana nabo bwatani korwase kyombekyo gya FAO nigo batebire bagendete kubikemerobelio yemeikirano unencheremo yogokora enchara egendete kororekana ase county ya Bungoma ekiagere koretwa nebintu ao gati yabo amakonda yo armyworm ayo agendete gusalia endagera ase kerenge kenene mono.
Fall armyworm ni tofauti na ile wanaita viwavi jeshi, the African armyworm. Hii fall armyworm huwa inadhiri mahindi, saa ingine inafanya matawi inaoza na hata hiyo roho ya mahindi pia inaoza, na hata zile grains za mahindi wakati zinakuwa harvested huwa mnaona kwamba mahindi hiyo inaoza, na huwa inaoza kwa sababu ya hii mdudu. Sasa hii project itakuwa hosted na hii county yetu ya Bungoma. Bungoma ni
in this global action we have select 8 demonstration country for this global action, for implement this global action. I'm very proud to say Kenya is one of demonstration country to show the world how to control fall armyworm. And also I'm very proud to say that this Bungoma, this province, Bungoma, is selected one of 2 demonstration county for implement this global action. This global action project, in fact, in this time, is supported by FAO, China South-South Cooperation Project, and they engage with China, Kenya, and Ghana.
Abasa korwa sense ya South Sudan au bamenyeta sense ya Kenya na konyora masomo amona maigelio nigo bono barereire serikali yense ya Kenya koba oborendi boisaine egento batebire bagenderete korora ogwatanenekana gati y'ababwatani ao bagenderete kobabeka ensemo egento keirira bange babo gotumwa naende gochia ase ense yabo chinga kyomorembe oborete ase ense yiyo ya South Sudan nigo baburire serikali yense ya Kenya kobaendekeria omorembe obo mbabaisa gochandwa ekiagera nigo bachete korigia obomenyo aiga sense ya Kenya.
Need to be supported not only on academic aspect but also by protecting our life. We are not free. We thought that when we get our independence we will take that country, but if the well-structured government is supporting the old guard system, then we are worried about our future as young generation.
We don't see a need that the Kenyan government should actually allow Israeli being, misled to deport our South Sudanese that are taking refuge in Kenya here. This is a home that we feel very compatible. This is where we are fighting for democracy so that South Sudan become another Kenya.
Korengana nabasabu nigo bagoteba bange babo nigo bakuiranigwa asense yabo asibagwika basiekerwa na kolinwa obwene bwabo ekerobono bamuburire omuraibwense ya South Sudan Salva Kiir kobwatoka gati y'abasae abo batumetwe gosibaseretwe kurwa sense ya Kenya na wika sense ya South Sudan asibasiekeire gwika bono ekiagera basabu nigo batebire barabwo nigo bachita sense ya Kenya ekiagera omorembe nigo borete a sense ya South Sudan kobwatakana n'ekisegi kigendere taroro.
Of successions within Warab states where the president come from. So there are cabals, groups of, what we call the gun class that have positioned themselves to succeed the president. So Mabur has been writing extensively on those issues, and that hungered people that we know are very, close to the system.
I just urge my president to take note with his Blue House boys who are taking our brother. We urge Moses to be taken to court if possible. Then we urge his relief as soon as possible.
Noyo kabeiro mobisa korase kiombegia Communication Authority of Kenya Selieta Francis Gusii oyo nyarako bakagusiria obugima bwaye maega yokurwara segeke getambe bono na netweli tukurigoro asensemo ya Kibabii egotoka se county ya Bungoma gati ya barai baikiranete aroro gati ya bono mo senator we county yo Okia Ontita na baigo mo CEO we kiombekyo egose Communication Authority of Kenya Ezra Jiloba asiba motebete Gusii bino montore tata moncherio anene kurwa sensemo ya analog weika asensemo ya digital asatebire baragendera kumunyora asokoleta moncherio ase sector yobwerania abwamangana.
Nyumba yake ndio akatoka. Mtu mwenye kwa na maringo ulikuwa unaingia kwa Gusii utapata ambassador wasijua Japan ama wapi ako pale.
Around the world about the digital transformation that this country has experienced. And I think sometimes his shoes are too big for me to fit. But that said, we will do our part. Our ICT sector, of course, has grown across the sector.
Na roboti ruanyagosira Francis Gusii oyo natweli tukolia igoro na roro gotoikeria omwelio bwa Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere konende naenda mange na chikogochera chikoraga Chinsa ikomi chabana magoroba gati ya bonto chiko kumanya alia koreka asensemo ya Kapsabet Showground ase county ya Nandi abasomuraibwense mokonyo erigade gashagwa barai korwa Kenya kwanza abo baikirana ase amasabo yobwamo which kanisa ayonsi ntoko yaletere asenchira yoboikiranu asamangana ito Amayia akobwata kolenda sebono ngwakangambia mono asibali mwensi mwatobwatiri wetera semitandao ya ito ya Ndizi TV News Digital abona nsemo ya Facebook na baigo YouTube Ndizi TV News na baigo balimo go tweet @Ndizi TV News to wakangambia mono kirage asokoba abaligereria abaya asegeta seni kya Ndizi TV ngwakangambia mono litobwataranire kwene kya gwikera senchira ya senchera ye chibicha na baigo amariogi nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta na inche nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarange. Ontita.
Ndizi TV uwenso bumugusi nigo bono yako nikirundekerene nego kurengera chibiche chinkia na boigo chinkeno nukukigima na bogo tonyora asoro gonkor bogusi niji kaunti chito etanaine una kaunti ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay